Hi, today I'm Xiaomi Redmi 12C and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open the box. This is the place for our phone. And also we got inside this paper box the SIM ejector and some paperwork like the safety guide, the quick start guide and the warranty card. Also we get here the new micro USB cable and the Xiaomi original charger. So that's it, there are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.